This is shield insurance project, and this shield insurance project dataset used are dimension customer table, dimension date table, dimension policies, fact premiums, fact settlements, and data modeling parts are the connected to each other tables, one to one, one to many relation. The general information tools used: Power BI, Microsoft Excel, dimension date table timelines are November 2022 from April 2023. The report is in four different parts: home page, general view, sales view, age segment. The general information about this dataset: the four sales mode are available in this uh, dashboard or dataset: offline agent, online app, offline direct, online website, and six age groups are available here. And cities are Chennai, Delhi NCR, Hyderabad, Indore, and Mumbai. The filters used in this dashboard: the five filters are used in this dashboard: age group, policy ID, sales mode, month, and city. Key metrics are total revenue, total customer, daily revenue growth, daily customer growth, and changes percentage. Now we see the Power BI dashboard. Okay, this is Shield Insurance project, and this is the landing page or home page. And now we see the general view. So click Control plus click here. Okay, this is the filters. The age group filter: city, sales mode, policy ID, and month. And this is total revenue, and this is total customer. And this is the total revenue month over month. And this is month over month changes percentage, and this is the total customer month over month changes percentage. And this is a daily revenue growth, and this is daily customer growth, and this is changes percentage. This is uh, blank because of this is the uh, selected in the uh, defaultly it's selected in the November month. For blank, the message is shown: the last month data not available for the selected filters. If we selected any other months, then these messages are gone. Now we see the filters month, and if we selected January or February, the messages are gone. And this is the month over month changes percentage, and this is the daily revenue growth changes percentage. Okay, but this month are not affected only to visual, only these two visual, but it's affected overall. And we check another visual: the policy ID. This is sales mode, this is online app, city, Delhi NCR, and this is age group 31 to 40 or 51 to 41 to 50. Okay, for the multiple selection, control plus click for multiple selection. Okay, if we selected uh, all filters, all the filters one by one check. And uh, now I am deselected the all filters. If uh, if we now it is one is by is deselected there. No, the clear all filters one button. This button, click control plus click and clear all filters. Okay, this clear all filters. And this is age wise split: the customer and revenue. That this is age group, customer, and revenue. This is the highest revenue, and this is highest revenue are from 31 to 40 age group. And this is the customer. This is the highest customer generated from 31 to 40. And city wise split, this is city customer and revenue. The highest revenue are generated Delhi NCR, and the lowest revenue generated on the are the Indore. And highest customer generated in the Delhi NCR, and lowest customer generated at the Indore. The customer revenue segmentation. Combinedly, city and age group are customer and revenue, how number of customer and how much of revenue generated. Combinedly, age group and city are shown here, and this is the month and year wise trend for customer. This is trend for customer. This is the March month is the highest, the 7.1k. If we check for revenue trends, this is the customer trends. If we check uh, revenue trends, so click here, control plus click. This is the revenue trends, and similarly, customer generated in the March month in high, the revenue generated similarly is the March month in March 2023 is high. Okay, now we check the sales mode. So click here, sales mode analysis. The revenue is split by sales mode, and customer is split by sales mode. The revenue are most revenue are come from offline agent, and this is percentage the 55.67 percentage. And customer are biggest number of customer are coming from the offline agent, the 55.41 percentage. And this is the uh, biggest impact of the customer. And similarly, the offline agent are the biggest impact of the revenue. And this is the filters age group, policy ID, sales mode, month, and cities. And this is sales mode by month, and the legend is offline legend, offline direct, online app, and online website. This, how increase and how decrease are shown easily in the sales mode by month. And the filter check, offline agent, the policy ID, age group, month. Okay, this is the thing. And deselected all slicer, clear all slicer. Okay, now we check the age group analysis. The age group analysis, this is the age group and expected settlements. The expected settlements are divided on the do not chart by the age group. This is the shown, and is how number of expected settlements based on age group are easily shown here, and easily take the decision in here. The customer count by age group and sales mode. This is the sales mode, and this is the age group. And age group and sales mode combinedly how number of customers generated is the shown here. And in the total, the total, the highest customer generated 31.40 age group, and lowest is the 65 plus customer generated. Okay, and counted policies users by age group. This is the policy ID, and this is the age group. And how number of customer are used in the policy by their age group are easily counted here. Okay, and here POL 4321 ACL is the highest. These policies are the highest uh, customer generated or highest customer are this policy used, and customer count by month and age group. This is the legend, and it is the age group, and it is the month and year. And these ribbon chart are easily how age number are cross each other which month and easily shown here. This is the shown one group are cross each other. Eh, and the March month is high. Previously shown this the March month in high number of customer generated and how highest number of revenue generated. Similarly shown here. Okay. Now we go to home page. So control plus click. Okay. This is home page, and thank you.